Yo, what is going on? It is Monday, July 6th, 10:56 a.m. Poor delivery, no reason to fucking deliver. Just a shitty day. Gonna be a quick recap because there was really only one trade today that I went over, but let's get into why this trade was even an idea. So before we take a look, we had 10 a.m. news, so it was a newsful Monday. Um, at open, we still had like London low available. We had Asia high available, but I really liked this 4-hour high. I liked it because it was basically paired with that Asia high, and I wanted to see us have a reason to deliver there. Oh shit, we still have London lows. I swear we swept London lows on one of these assets, but we didn't. I think we swept Asia low. Some shit. It was something stupid. No, we didn't sweep Asia low. I just had them all stacked. There was something down here that we swept on NQ. I mean on ES, but not NQ. Oh no, it was at this. It was this. I'm so sorry. It was at open. On NQ was like this, while open on ES was. And then ES had went out, swept Asia pretty early, and then NQ came up and grabbed this Asia high. Let me mark out the Asia high just to be a little safer. But yes, I grabbed it pretty early. Still, nonetheless, even though we did take it, I wanted this 4-hour high. I thought we were still going to get into this 4-hour high. A lot of low resistance still stacked up. Another trade that I was willing to take was this, but I needed to see delivery off of something, just some sort of reasoning. It was this short just because I loved the draws on liquidity below. It wasn't going to be this low. It was going to be just a London. Something like this. Break even at the 930 or break even at this one of these lows right here, because we still had the 930, we still had midnight open, we still had a 5-minute, we still had equal lows, Asia low, everything. Like, I really like the sell side. But if we were going to continue up here and stay above here, then I would have wanted to see reasoning. We had no 3-minute, we had no 5-minute. I'm sure that's 4. So we had nothing to reject off of. So I was wanting to see EQ. It just so happened to be that EQ aligned with a 15-minute gap. With this 15-minute gap that we did open up at basically 10 a.m., which 10 a.m. also the data candle, I wish it could have delivered and manipulated into this 15-minute gap. Could have gotten something out of it, but we never did. Was hoping one of these candles delivered into this 15-minute gap. Now that is the reason why I did not enter this trade, because there was no reasoning behind it. There was nothing to truly bounce off of, you know. But this would have been the trade. Enter it right here. Limit gets filled. Would have almost been stopped out. Pumped up. I know myself, I would have went break even on this candle because we took the new internal high after coming pretty deep into our stop loss. This would have swept the intermediate high, which was my original, going to be my original break even, and then stopped me BE and would have almost ran a TP and then shit the bed. And then was just choppy the rest of the day. So, I mean, to start off this week, nothing for me. A lot of these trades ended up, I guess, in a sense, delivering, but none of them gave me like full conviction to want to take anything. Because a lot of them were just inverses. Like this one, for example. We didn't react off of anything. Like, would have been this gap. I think this was also a 1-minute. No, it was just a 30-second. Even worse. We weren't reacting off of anything. Like, if we take a look here, right? Look, no EQ, no nothing, no gap, no nothing. So I'm not just gonna. I refuse to keep taking trades without like reason to deliver. I'm doing fib. I'm doing a 3-minute. I'm doing even shit. Sometimes even a 1-minute in a sense. This just didn't react out of anything I wanted to see. If we had tagged this 1-minute, then maybe. If this was a 3-minute here, then okay, maybe. Not even maybe, definitely. But there was just no reason for us to go higher, and it ended up delivering. However, we just seen one over here with, again, no reason to go higher. I honestly, wait, this one might have actually had more reasoning, because this one might have honestly gotten into EQ. Yeah, this one had more reason to deliver. TBH ski. Yeah, see, like this one had more reason to deliver because it did tag EQ at least. Oh shit. Whatever, you get the point. But yeah, just the main one that I was only like willing to put risk on the table one was this one, but I wanted to see it have a reason to deliver. EQ or, like I said, this 15-minute gap neither happened, so I didn't take anything today. Just again, gonna look to keep being patient, gonna look to keep taking high quality trades. We don't need to take low quality trades, but we need to improve the frequency. No true manipulation out of any of these, no nothing. I don't even know if ES swept this 4 hour high. This is the last thing. Oh, it did. All right. But yeah, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Peace, love, positivity.